สวัสดีค่ะ Hello everybody, welcome back to Jiras Thai Kitchen from Scotland channel. This week I'm going to show you how to cook the traditional homemade Thai rice vermicelli with peanut curry sauce. It is bursting with delicious Thai flavors and the creamy peanut curry sauce made of Thai curry paste, coconut milk, roasted peanuts and roasted golden beans. You'll love it. I am showing you how to cook easy, simple, authentic Thai foods step by step every week on my YouTube channel. Please click like, share and subscribe to support my channel Jiras Thai Kitchen. So let's start! Here is a list of the ingredients you will require. 2-3 tablespoons of caviar lime juice, 2 tablespoons each for garlic cloves, shallots and galangal, 1 tablespoon of coriander roots, 3 or 4 slices of caviar lime, 5 to 10 of large red chillies and soaked in the water, and a few of small red dry chillies. Two, 3 tablespoons of masaman curry paste, half a cup of coconut shred, a cup of coconut cream, a liter of coconut milk or coconut water, 350 grams of tiger prawns, 4 tablespoons of tamarind sauce, 4 tablespoons of plum sugar, 1 or 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 100 grams of golden beans, 100 grams of peanuts, half a cup of sliced garlics, half a cup of sliced shallots, 200 grams of rice vermicelli, some of steamed bean sprout and cabbage, cucumber and some salads. And these are all the ingredients you will require to make delicious homemade Thai peanut curry sauce for your dinner tonight. Let's start! First step, we need to roast golden beans and peanuts in the frying pan. Next, roast the coconut shreds in the frying pan. Next, roast the shallots, galangal, and garlic all together in the frying pan. Place a frying pan with the cooking oil on the medium heat and add some salt. We are going to make the crispy garlics and shallots. So we place the sliced garlic and shallots into the hot oil and keep stirring it until it turns into the golden brown color. Next, use the same oil. Now we are going to make the crispy red dry chillies. So place the red dry chillies into the frying pans and keep stirring it until it's turned to the golden brown color. Next, we are going to blend or mash the roasted peanuts, roasted golden beans, and roasted coconut shreds. We need to blend all of them finely. We also need to combine the soaked large chilies, roasted galangal, shallots, and garlics, and coriander roots in the blender and blend them all together finely. Also blend the tiger prawns finely. Step: place the frying pans on the low heat and place the coconut cream. Keep stirring it until it's boiling. Then add the chili paste into it. Keep stirring it gently until the coconuts and the chili paste get thicker and oily. As you can see, the coconuts and the chili paste get a bit thicker and oily. So now it's time to add the mashed tiger prawns into it. Keep stirring it. Let's combine this with the curry sauce. And if it gets too thick, you can keep adding the coconut milk a little bit at a time. Keep stirring it until the prawns is cooked. After the prawns is cooked, now it's time to add roasted peanuts, roasted golden beans, roasted coconut shred, and coconut milk. Combine all together in a curry in a frying pan. Keep stirring it gently. Combine all together into a smooth paste. we can add tamarind sauce, fish sauce, plum sugar, kiffir, lime juice, and sliced kiffir, and keep stirring it for a few minutes. Then it's time to serve. It's time to serve. Hope you find my recipes are easy to follow. I am showing you how to cook easy, simple, and a proper way how to cook authentic Thai foods a step by step on my YouTube channel every week. So please click like, share, and subscribe to support my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.